Damn! Come. See the parts? This is their contingency plan. There's a riot. Just open the valve and turn the prison into one big gas chamber. Sucky.
Hey, follow me.
Ну, блин, where the hell are you, huh?
We'll go as soon as the elevator leaves. Let's move.
I heard rumors of a concentration camp here, but to see it with my own eyes.
Бляха-муха. Where are you? Huh? There's a tunnel on the other side. Okay, I lead, you follow. Now keep it quiet, or they'll guess everyone.
Let's move. Stay out of the light and stick to the shadows.
They are your best friend. Okay, так. Looks like we cleared it. Let's see. Great. Блин. Tough luck, didn't even budge, huh? Alright, we can't go through here, that we know. Okay, where do we go now? What if... Hey! Give me a lift, will you? Get up here. Shh. Так, now listen. Pretend you're a little fucking mouse. Get down. Don't make any sudden moves.
See?
Well, let's move.
To think
Carefully,
of
huh?
like Claude, you can do nothing but harm, and we
Freeze!
will save innocent lives just by shooting you.
No, we're not going to shoot him.
Thank you, Herr Officer. Thank you.
Führer says shooting's too good for me.
Follow me.
I don't quite agree with this. Of course, the hanged man empties his bowels, and we have to clean it up.
Okay, you take the right one. I the left one. I will distract mine. Then you take yours down. Understand? Get to it. Don't start too soon, huh?
Let's do it.
You can do that for the show. It's efficient and...
Just I wish I could not.
We're done anyway. You ain't gonna do squat besides get us all killed.
Open the cells, will you? The controls are up there in the garden. Please, take this, freak. You like that?
Unscrew the light bulb.
Wait a minute.
What?
Don't! Stop!
You go to that side. Maybe there you will be able to climb up. Let's meet on the top. Hey, Spartan! Break a leg.
Food! Some food! Any food! he registered him well, or what? Well, young man, I see you're not here for a walk. Try being more discreet, though. I would not want to be punished for your failure. Hey, man! Open the locks! There's a panel in the guard room. In the guard room! Quit pushing you.
What do you mean you released him?
Just looked at him and somehow saw my son. And that trader from Hansa kept pestering me to sell the creature. Said there'd be a ways to shoot it, that he'd pay good money, so I just...
Show me the bullets.
Sure, look. I'm ready to share. It's too much for me alone. Just don't tell the Oberscharführer. I got 200 bullets out of it.
I'll take half.
It's just that our shift is in.
Then you have no further business here. Off to the barracks with you.
Yes, Herr Oberscharführer.
I thought we had it bad. Oh, sorry, can't quite make anything out.
You made it. Молодец. True hero. Now, we need to get them to open the airlock from the other side. That button on the wall is the intercom. Push it.
Hide!
Who the hell is so impatient? What kind of joke is this? Come on, quit hiding! Fritz, is that you? Damn it, I'm not gonna open next time!
Freaking nothing.
It's not even funny! Yeah! Let's play the fucking hide and seek now!
Get an airlock! Now!
Let us out! There's a control panel. You can open all the cells. I can't stay here anymore. Please, I wanna live. I want to
Phew. We're out of the inner block, and the fun is just starting, блин. Here, catch this. Nice watch. Huh, this little blue indicator, it lights up when you're visible, huh? Alright, there's bound to be more guards further ahead, but they won't be able to use gas here. We can really let ourselves go. Ah, I wish I had a grenade. We'll break through even without those. Move, приятель. One down.
No, there's nothing on the shelf. Open your eyes. It's there, to the box. The box! Well, shit, why didn't you say so? Found it?
Idiot.
Here you are. Want any pliers around?
Could you have said that before?
How about a wire up your ass? Who am I busting my balls for, fixing this stuff here?
Alright, I'll take a look.
So, how's it going?
I think I sorted it out, but it looks like some...
Could you work faster?
Cat's pretty fast. You may have an electric current here. It doesn't like being treated lightly. Got that? You Gestapo?
Führer himself is delivering a speech. All of them will be at the rally, guards included. Same deal we got back at the Red Line, believe me.
How should the citizens of the Reich respond?
Приятель, are you gonna help me or what? I'll never open the gates alone. Whoa! It's moving. Oh, do you see the guys in those cells? Ё-моё, most of them are disfigured, mutated, arms, legs, heads. Let's move, приятель.
My escape from the Nazi prison could be entitled "The Enemy of My Enemy is My Friend." This friend's name is Pavel. He led a Red Recon team wiped out by the Nazis. I never liked communists much, but Pavel acted like a real hero.
So, how are you, чувак? All right? Oh, you are tough, huh? No wonder they made you a ranger. Follow me. Security, make way!
Fortune has smiled upon us. Our scouts have located a real treasure trove. The legendary D6 bunker complex. Huge storage facilities filled with supplies. There is medicine and enough canned food to sustain the Reich for 100 years. And enough weapons for us to wipe the freaks and genetically impure from the face of the earth. But D6 has been seized and occupied by Sturmbannführer! What do you want? A jailbreak! Two prisoners get put on the guards and escape! What the hell are you doing here then? Go Get them!
Follow me!
Get this!
Over here! Hurry, Артём! Jump! Fuck! Crawl through here! Crawl through here! Shit! You right? Hold on! There you have it! On the ground, you bitch!
I surrender! Do not shoot!
Hold on, Артём.
No! Catch them!
Bastards, блин, they're opening the gate!
I see them! There they are! Stop them! Stop! Capture them!
We pulled off the impossible. Now I have to inform the Order that the Dark One is missing. Which means to acknowledge that I've failed my mission. But now, when he's down in the metro, I won't be able to find him alone. I have to get to the nearest neutral station and then to Polis, the Order's HQ. Pavel will show me the way.
Now we'd better hurry to the theater. There's nowhere else to go. Huh? Чувак. Works wonders. Hold on! Whew. End of the line. Well, there's no helping it. Поехали, we hoof it from here. Follow me. Okay, don't remember seeing this tunnel on any map. Whew. Come here, Артём. Over here. Артём, get over here. Revolution are not waiting for one man, huh? Right. Okay. Wait here while I look around.
Hey! A spy! Grab him! Real fucking ninja. Let's take him to the guard post.
And what if this fuck is not alone?
Attention, second guard post. Check your sector of the tunnel. We caught a rat in the vents here. Stay sharp. There might be more. Roger. Checking that. Over.
This is a fucking mess! A communist rat found in our tunnels!
Is not the one I'm worried about.
Right. Who knows how many more of these bastards are lurking in the shadows?
All I know is we'd better find them. See anything? Let's go check the dead end out. While we're at it, just to make sure.
The real stuff from exhibition. Glad that station got their shit together. Half a year without tea shipments put me on edge.
So, the ones are battle against the Dark Ones?
Oh, sure as hell did.
Those weren't even human, were they? Some kind of monsters?
Yeah, total freaks. Jet black skin, no privates. How they reproduced, who knows? Black eyes with no whites. And if one so much as looked at you...
Adlan! Where are you?
What?
Take Mikhail from Belaruskaya. Man, it's probably to get some freebies off her. So, one day, the stupid bitch showed up at one of our border posts looking for Mikhail.
Oh, well, she wasn't good looking and all, but
Please, get rid of it.
all horses have tails. No, a real tail. A little one like a puppy. They found taking her
the damn
measurements at the
Tourette's.
filtration
Catching a
camp.
cold death.
And Mikhail never noticed. What was it?
He told Mikhail, you're a disgrace to the uniform. You'll punish the bitch or hang next to her tomorrow.
Couldn't have just imagined it.
I love you. Don't kill me. But what's the man to do? Mikhail beat the girl to death with a broom handle, and he got off with a reprimand.
Somebody
From now
definitely
on, I check for tails first.
Something definitely seemed off here. It seems like somebody actually.
didn't seem quite like Tourette's.
Enemy target! Attention! Good company! Ah, freaking See him yet? He's right here! Yes, go! Casualty! Take a casualty! On the bullet!
Eh? What?
Pavel's almost certainly going to hang. Who knows what would have happened to me had he not released me? Red, blue, yellow, what difference does that make? He risked his life for me. You don't get that much in the metro. I can't just walk away on him.
Artyom! Shit! I knew you wouldn't abandon me. I knew it. You're a true comrade. I'm in your debt for life. Now get me out of here and I'll lead you home in no time. Fuck! Fuck, they're coming for me! Gonna take me to the noose! Good luck, my friend! You're my only hope now!
Come on, get your ass out here, you fucking commie rat!
So, if your brother was born a freak, and your mother seems alright,